United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 64. Highly migratory species. 1. The coastal state, and other states, whose nationals fish in the region for the highly migratory species listed in Annex I shall cooperate directly, or through appropriate international organizations, with a view to ensuring conservation and promoting the objective of optimum utilization of such species throughout the region, both within and beyond the exclusive economic zone. In regions for which no appropriate international organization exists, the coastal state and other states, whose nationals harvest these species in the region shall cooperate to establish such an organization and participate in its work. 2. The provisions of paragraph 1 apply in addition to the other provisions of this part.